What is going on, guys? It's Will, back with another NQ recap video Monday. And it's early, it's only 12 o'clock for us, so market's only been open a couple hours, and we're already done for today. This is my third time fucking recording because my mic was shut off, so I'm fucking pissed off, but it is what it is. So we're going to start at the daily and why I was bearish on the market today. One, it's Monday. One, there's no news. Two, there's no news. So I was looking for a sell-off towards Asia lows. I was definitely looking to sweep this level right here. Kind of just this level right here. But we pushed a lot lower than I expected. Today, at least. Tomorrow I expect to sell off a little bit lower. Maybe push this area down here. This would be nice, this 19.2 area. And then we have enough gas to push back up and start contesting all-time highs again. So, if we scale down, first thing I looked at was the 1 hours. I was definitely looking for a sweep on these lows right here. And then I was also looking for a sweep at these lows right here. So I had two levels marked out in my head of where I wanted the market to sweep. I was a little nervous with this candle up here, wicking this high. I didn't want to get stopped out, so I was running very tight stop losses. I figured the market was going to be volatile. So we zoom in to the 1 minute because that's when I enter my positions on the 1 minute. Market opens 9:30 a.m. Eastern time for me, so this is my time. We see liquidity get swept up on the buy side up here. We see a bearish break of structure towards the downside as well too, as well as a fair value gap that needs to be recontested. After I saw this fair value gap didn't even come close to being retested, I entered a short immediately, thinking we were going to sweep the Asia lows here. So we push down obviously towards the Asia lows. We contest the area a lot. We're just bouncing in this area. Because of this bouncing over here, I didn't think really there was going to be any more blood. I wanted to see more blood, but I didn't really think so. I wasn't too positive. I thought maybe tomorrow we'd see more. But I was definitely wrong. I TP'd about 4 contracts here in this 30-40 point range just to secure some profit because I didn't know if I was going to take another trade today. After that, about 30 minutes or 20 minutes of just bouncing in this area, we finally sell off. I still have 1 contract. And then we come to this level over here. This is the level I was targeting originally. Is this level right here. This on the, or sorry, I wasn't targeting. I was targeting this area right here. Right here. I was targeting these lows right here. I wanted to see liquidity get swept from this area. A bunch of liquidity is just being swept in this whole area, so that's why my TP was here. TP hit, so that was good. 1 contract hit for plus 100, so can't complain about that. Good trade. So 1 trade here, good. And then market sold off even more. If I held that 1 contract, could have pulled in some serious money, but it's all good. It's all good. We take our winners, right? Big winners, small losses, or even decent winners and small losses. It's all about risk management. Market sells off. Now I'm kind of looking for some type of little pump up, some type of correction, just a slight correction, not a fully bullish correction. So I scaled back out to the 1 hour. Let me see, what was my entry here? 513. So I was looking in this area right here for buys. I was actually looking a little bit lower, but I didn't think we were going to push down that low. And I was scaled in on the 15 second. I'll show you here. The 15 second, the market was very indecisive where it was going to go. It was just boop, 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 boop. So I decided to go long here. And then we got a confirmation break of structure to the upside. Right here. As well as a fair value gap as well as the inverse fair value gap. Once I entered this trade, I knew it was going to be good. I wasn't too worried. I had a very tight stop loss, maybe like this, maybe like this. It was very tight. But the market was very steady, very, very steady here. This is where I entered the trade. This is why I entered the trade. Immediately, we get a boom reaction off there. I scaled that at, I think, plus 50, and then I scaled that at plus 76. I was looking for, unrealistic TPs, but I was looking to contest this area over here, as well as come up here and maybe even test daily highs again. Obviously, that's not what we did. But I had a trailing stop loss, so market pumps up. We're still in this inverse fair value gap, bouncing off of it. Everything, it still looks bullish to me. We just keep bouncing off this, so I think we're going to contest TP2 up here. But I entered my trailing stop loss probably right around here. So we got stopped out. And then market just dumps after, starts dumping again after. So it's all good, but 2 for 2 for the day. Can't complain. It was a good day. Now, where do I see where we're headed is the good question. So let me clear everything here. I still want to see some sort of pullback correction from these 8 days. I really don't think we've had a solid pullback. I definitely want to see this area right here just get contested. I want to see buyers step up. I want to see the banks step up in this area over here, contest this area, and sure enough, from this, we'll have enough gas to push back up to all-time highs. A worst case scenario, we come down to this area right here. This would be another good area for buyers to step up, the big banks to step up, and push back up to all-time highs. I'm still 99% sure that this right here was the bottom. We're not gonna see anything lower than this. So if you didn't get anything here, it's all right. But I am looking for a pullback in these two ranges right here. So tomorrow, daily bias, definitely looking for sells. We're looking. This is looking bullish. I mean bearish. Sorry. We have a break of structure right here confirmed to the downside. Break of structure to the upside would be right here. We didn't close above it. We wicked it, and then we sold off. So daily bias is definitely sell. Definitely sell. Everything is looking bearish here. The 4 hours looking bearish too. We look like we want to come down on the 4 hour. The 1 hour. It looks like a falling knife ready to happen. It just looks like we need to come down. We need to consolidate, or we need to just bounce and moon off these and get enough gas. But everything is looking bearish in my opinion. Worst case scenario, we come down to this 300 level again, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think that was the bottom. Other than that, daily bias has changed, but overview for the market, still bullish. So definitely looking for sells for the next couple days until we hit one of these areas. Then, and we get a confirmation, then I'll switch my bias to bullish. But right now, I'm bearish for the rest of the time being until further updates. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have a great Monday, and I will see you guys Tuesday. Later, guys.